Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Excel tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to show or hide the 1000 separator on Excel. This is actually quite simple. First I open Microsoft Excel and here I have various numbers. Currently the 1000 separators are hidden. To change this I first select my range of data, go to the Home tab and in the Numbers section I click on the icon for the comma style. This changes my format from General to Accounting, which includes the 1000 separator as well as 2 decimals. If I only want numbers without decimals, I can now quickly decrease decimals here. And that way I have adjusted the numbers accordingly. If I want to hide the 1000 separator again, I change the format back to General. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.